Healthy weight loss recipe. Take 1 fry pan. After heat to tablespoon olive oil, 5 cloves sliced garlic, 1 inch finely chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chili. Sauté slightly 1 minute. Add half finely chopped onions. Add half finely chopped capsicum. Sauté well. Half finely chopped carrot. 5 finely chopped beans. 3 tablespoons sweet corn. Stir fry in high flame. Add salt. Stir fry in medium flame. Do not overcook. Close a lid and fry well. After 5 minutes, open a lid. Crunchy vegetables. Stir fry. 2 tablespoons ragi flour. Add water. No lumps and mix well. Add 2 glass water. Let it boil well 3 to 4 minutes. Check salt and add. Half tablespoon pepper powder. Mix well. Add pinch of asafoetida. Mix well. Add ragi slurry. Stir well into mince. Well combined. Add chopped spring onion. Mix well. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Perfect consistency. Healthy weight loss ragi soup is ready.